Hello students, this is Anju Soni, your English mentor, and today I'm gonna teach you notice writing, one of your very important writing skills. So let's get started. A notice is one of the best mediums to convey information to a large number of people in the shortest possible time. It can be put up anywhere to make an announcement or intimate about something impending in the future. So let's take a look at some of the tips for writing a notice. A notice is always enclosed in a box. Wording should be precise, clear, simple, and comprehensive. The name of the school, institution, organization, society, along with the name of the city is always mentioned right at the center on the top of the notice. The heading notice is written at the center in the line following the name of the school, institution, organization, or society. The date on which the notice is issued is written along the left margin. A title which tells the reader instantly what the notice refers to is mentioned at the center of the notice in capital letters and is always underlined. The body of a notice should include all the 5 W's, and that is what is being organized, held, or why, who is organizing, date, time, and duration of the event, venue of the event, last date for submission, and whom to contact. In the bottom left corner of the notice, the name of the person issuing the notice is written along with designation in brackets below his name. Ensure that you do not exceed the prescribed word limit. Clarity is the soul of a notice. Hence, every effort must be made to make the notice absolutely understandable by everyone. Here is the format. First of all, the name of institution comes, followed by word notice, which is to be written in capital. Then comes date at the left margin in expanded form, followed by a catchy title. Then, after a line space, starts body of the notice. And at last, at the left margin comes the signature of the person issuing the notice, followed by his name in capital and designation. A notice can be written for various reasons. The format of notice writing remains the same in all cases. Here is a list of topics for notice writing that you must prepare. Notices can be for competition, for an excursion trip, for a lost and found notice, for an inauguration to take place, for an exhibition, for a blood donation camp to be held, or any such type of event or information to be issued in public interest. Here are a few phrases and sentences to help you write a notice in a better way. The first para of the body can be written like, all the students or the members are hereby apprised that a school or society is going to organize. Here comes what event is going to be organized as per the schedule given below. Then, after leaving a line, we tell about the details like date, day, timings, venue. Then, for last para, we invite members for any meeting or ask them for registering their names for an event before a particular date, such as those interested may register their names to the undersigned latest by, and we make them comfortable saying feel free to contact in case of further queries. Then, in the bottom left corner of the notice, we write the name of the person issuing the notice. First of all, signature, then name, and finally his designation in brackets. Let's solve a question. Here are Sanjeev or Sanjana, the secretary of Crescent Corporation Group's Housing Society, Dwarka, New Delhi, write a notice requesting the members of the society to attend a meeting to discuss the problem of security in your society. Here, on the behalf of the secretary of Crescent Cooperative Group Housing Society, we are writing a notice where we are requesting the members of the society to attend a meeting where they'll be discussing the problem of security. So first of all, we'll write over here Crescent Cooperative Group Housing Society, Sector 18, Dwarka, New Delhi, underneath notice, then date, and finally title. emergency meeting to discuss security problems. So we are starting the body content. Due to the recent cases of thefts and the observation of antisocial elements in our society, we wish to call for an emergency meeting for all members to discuss how to increase and improve the security measures in order to ensure the safety of all residents. The details are given below. Further, we write the details, date, timings, venue. Then at last, all members are requested to attend the meeting along with their families, as all suggestions and recommendations are welcome to help make our society a safer and better place to live in. For any query, please contact the underside. Thereafter, we write name and secretary.